Hi Nikki Bulls, welcome back to my channel. Today is not going to be a glitz and glam video. My hair might even be cut off, but I want you to focus on the lace, okay? The purpose of this video is to show you how to properly remove the lace from your cap, your hair, whatever you had glue on, or even if you used got to be glued. I'm a little under the weather, not feeling very well. However, it's not an excuse for looking crazy, okay? Valentine's Day is a few days away. It's actually tomorrow. And there's no excuse for me to look crazy. So no matter how I feel, I gotta get it together. And so should you. But that's another video. We'll talk about that. You do want to save your lace. But baby, you can buy another lace front. You can buy you another frontal. You can buy edges. So make sure you follow the proper steps. Okay, so let's start here. My hair looks crazy under here. I didn't comb it, didn't brush it, didn't do anything. I threw on a bonnet. I just haven't been feeling very well. My head is itchy, so it's really time to take this out so that I can wash, condition, and moisturize my own hair. Because you want to take care of your hair. Just in case you don't want to wear a wig. But even if you do just want to wear a wig, still take care of your hair. Who knows? It might have a weave drought and you can't wear it. Whatever. Anyway. First thing I want you guys to pay attention to, and I hope the camera is focused. When it gets old, it starts to do this. It starts to lift on its own. I don't have on a full frontal. This is a lace closure. So it's, okay, you see that? It's starting to lift. But if I pull a little bit more, I had like some glue and stuff right here, and I could actually feel it pulling right now, and we don't want that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, I use cotton balls because they hold a lot of the product without, wasting your product, wasting your alcohol, wasting your peroxide, whatever you're using. Also, if you have nails, if your nails are done, be very careful using alcohol. I don't know if anybody ever told you, or if you know, alcohol will take off your polish. So be careful with that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of saturate the area with alcohol to loosen things up even more. I'm not pulling. I'm just saturating underneath, but also protecting my nails. So you see I'm holding the cotton ball this way. And I'm just pushing down, and as I push down, the alcohol is squeezing out in the area that I want it. Okay, and I'm losing cotton balls. That's okay. I feel a little relief already. Okay, and then the next thing, I use like warm or hot water. If you make your water solution and you want to do your hair, just stick it in the microwave for a little bit just to warm it up. Because in here it's not just water. I use Dollar Tree, like a hair conditioner, any type of hair conditioner. I just don't want to use my Shea Moisture for this. So I buy Dollar Tree conditioner, put it in a bottle with some warm or hot water, and then you're just going to spray the area. This makes for like a solution more than a liquid, but it's okay because my closure could use some conditioning too, so that's fine. Okay, and then once you pull, you should be able to feel if it's lifting or not. And see, I always wait until it's old. I don't just pull them off. Ooh, okay. Okay, we're good. We're clear. Ooh, jeez. That hit itch. Okay, so I'm going to sit that to the side because I am going to shampoo that out. Okay, you're not done. You're not done. We still have this. And this is pulling so tight on my head right now. I'm hoping I'm not losing edges, okay? Like, because it's that bad. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to start with alcohol. And just kind of push it in. Do your Google research. This alcohol will not hurt your hair, okay? You'll be fine. You want to loosen this stuff up. Ripping this off your head will definitely hurt your hair. If you don't believe me, Google it. The alcohol is not going to hurt you, okay? So you're going to just squeeze that alcohol in, and be careful not to get this stuff in your eyes. That's another reason I put conditioner in that spray bottle, to kind of thicken it up a little bit. And I only use, for this size bottle, which is very small, it's only 5 ounces. For this bottle, I only use about a tablespoon of conditioner. So you don't need a lot of conditioner in there. You just, you know. Ooh. This is the hardest part to me. The lace is the easy part. Because it's easy to get that lace off the cap. But to get the cap off your hair, whew, this is the hardest part to me. And you can pretty much feel where it's really hard at. It's because the got-to-be glue, it gets really, really hard. And you want to soften it. Another trick I learned is when you're using got-to-be gel, and you're like, let's say you're doing a sleek ponytail and it's getting old, you don't have to add more got-to-be. I would just spray it down with water and mold it, just, you know, shape it the way you want it. Okay, so it's soft. It's softened up a lot. It's very sticky and tacky right now. So now I'm just going to add a little bit more of my water solution. Not a little bit, a lot. As much as you feel like you need. Because it's been pulling. And if you start to feel it pull, you know it's time to take it off and redo this process. Oh, I believe I just sprayed this. And you see how easily that just wipes right off? With little to no effort at all. I did not pull. Okay, I got a little bit pulling right now. If you can see that, where it's sticking. Do not pull it. Do not force it. What you're gonna do is massage it. And massage it until it loosens and separates. And voila, there you go. Cap is off. My face is a little wet, but that's okay. Okay, so that cap is now garbage. And now you're ready for your new cap. In my case, it's not a new cap. I am taking these braids down because I do care for my hair. I'm going to shampoo my hair, condition it really well, and then I'll be ready to put a new cap on there. And as you can see, ladies, I do have edges. This is my natural baby hair. Still there. Nothing pulled that out. And still here. Natural baby hair. See that? Nothing was pulled out. This is my edges. I still have my edges. This is so important if you want to wear these wigs. You want to keep your edges. This process is so important. It take a little time. Oh wait, guys, let me clean you off. Hold on, because I see his product on here.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend.
Wait it out 2 weeks. Your lace front or your frontal will let you know when it's time. If it starts to lift a little bit, you got two options. You could take a little got to be and just put just a very little to lay it back down, or you can go ahead and go through the process that I gave you. Your conditioner and water solution and alcohol to go ahead and take it off. In different seasons, it may change. If it's the summertime and you're sweating a lot, then yeah, you might have to do it once a week, maybe. But if you're, if it's good to go, just leave it alone. Just change your hairstyle instead of removing it. But definitely the most I would say leave it on is 2 weeks. And the reason why I say that is because you get to wash your hair and take care of your hair that's underneath. These, I'm not a professional hairstylist by the book, and I'm gonna say by the book because I'm not a licensed cosmetologist. However, I have been doing hair. Oh Jesus. I almost don't want to say this. I've been doing hair for about 20 years now. Good Lord, make me feel so old. But yeah, I've been doing your hair for almost 20 years, and hair care has always been at the forefront. So I know what I'm talking about. But again, it's totally up to you how long you want to leave it in there. I personally do not recommend anything past 2 weeks. You need to take care of the hair underneath. And if you are of African descent, the black folks, our hair is much drier than the silky hair. So you need moisture. And if you're trying to preserve your hair from breaking off, you need moisture. You need to take care of what's under the wig. So I would say 2 weeks. Take it off, shampoo it, give yourself a good condition it. If you don't want to shampoo it, you can co-wash it with conditioner, whatever your regimen is. Just do it at least every 2 weeks. Get you some argan oil or a good leave-in conditioner. And there you go. That's it for this video. I'm out here looking crazy and got half of my head cut off at the same time. But I hope this video was helpful to someone. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe if you would like to see more of these videos or any of my videos. And hit the notification bell. It will let you know when I upload a new video. And then you will be first to see it. Also, go ahead and share this video on your social media platforms. It may be of good assistance to someone else. Thank you, my Nikki Boos. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Now, I have on a lace front, not a frontal.